Just Derek Beasley.
It really does, Patrick. 89 this afternoon.
Gosh.
Yeah, those temperatures running about 10 degrees above average, and it looks like this trend will continue into tomorrow and Friday, and even into the weekend as well. So unseasonably warm weather here across our area. Again, that 89 this afternoon, tying the old record. 87 down towards Naples, Immokalee, and LaBelle, all coming in at 88 this afternoon. 85 for Palmdale as well as Punta Gorda. Those temperatures have cooled off, though, into the 60s and 70s. It's going to be a very comfortable night across our area, expecting readings mainly into the mid to upper 60s here for tomorrow morning under a mostly clear sky. Perhaps a little patchy fog developing late tonight, early tomorrow morning. And then by afternoon, we're expecting highs once again around 88, 89 degrees. And the record again tomorrow is 89, last set back in 2018. So we'll be likely seeing that at least get close to it or perhaps tying it. And then we have another opportunity coming up on Saturdays. We're still expecting temperatures into the upper 80s by that point, with readings slowly cooling down as we go into next week. Now, again, that easterly wind continues across our area, and that's a pattern combined with the high pressure that we have over the in the upper atmosphere that's on top of us. That easterly wind is actually what helps to keep us on the warm side because it keeps the sea breeze from pushing inland. So with that offshore flow, has a tendency to warm up most of southwest Florida a little bit warmer. You see the opposite happen with a westerly wind over on the east coast. They tend to be a little bit warmer over there when that happens, and we end up cooler. But the real active weather right now is this winter storm that is ongoing now. The first wave coming through portions of Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas, Missouri this morning. And then we're watching the second wave that is now starting to get going back towards New Mexico and Texas. That's going to be another round that'll be piling right on top of that. So it looks like a real mess for parts of the southern plains, the mid-Mississippi Valley, all the way up into the northeast. So they're going to be seeing lots of snow and ice, but we're going to continue to see our beautiful weather here. Temps overnight tonight falling into the low to mid 60s, some upper 60s in some spots. Looks like Sanibel down to about 66 here for tonight. Everybody else still running low to mid 60s, and highs once again tomorrow, mostly into the mid to upper 80s. So mostly clear skies tonight, patchy fog, 64 of your overnight low with a light and variable wind. And then tomorrow, patchy fog in the morning, clouds and sunshine in the afternoon, likely either getting close to or tying a record high once again. East-southeast winds at about 5 to 10. Great day to be out on the water as well. Winds will be light out of the southwest at 5 to 10 knots. Seas running 2 feet or less. Inland waters a light chop. UV index, though, will be running very high, so don't forget the sunscreen. 7-day forecast, 89 tomorrow, 87 Friday. Same thing on Saturday. Then it looks like that high pressure area starts to weaken a bit. And as a result, the temperatures will cool off some, but not by much. We're expecting readings at night to fall back to around 60 by early next week, with afternoon highs primarily into the low 80s, and still no significant chances for rain showing up.
A lot of people in Southwest